Thanks for hanging out. Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot, and I'm the Bluebeam Professional Services Director with U Chapter 2. And I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services, empowering you to get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Another example would be estimating, or in this example, I've got fire, life safety, and security. Got a couple custom tools in here. And if I'm going around and placing these symbols, let's see what they are. I'm going to go in here and go to detail view. And now I have a little description for the subject of these tools. So now I know a little bit better what they are. So it's smoke detectors. We need one of those in each room right by the door. So we'll start to place those. Magnetic door holder. Probably need one of those as well in each room. So I'm going to place those here in each room by the doors. Strobe. So we might need a strobe light out here. And then a security camera. So let's say we have a security camera on the corner here, maybe one in the corner there. Maybe each room has one. So on and so forth. Now let's look at the markups list and see how that breaks down as well. So in here, if I click on the top of the subject column, it's going to show me all of my 180-degree cameras, and it will tell me where they're located. So this one's in the second floor. This one's in 201, 202, 203, and 204. And down here, the door holders, it's telling us there's one in each room. So if I go back and I click on spaces to organize those or sort them by space, now you can see in, I pull this out a little further, in West Wing, second floor, meeting room 204, there's 4 markups. We've got punch symbol here, got a smoke detector, a door magnet, and a camera, all inside of that room. So it does a great job there sorting and organizing all of our markups. What that also allows us to do is anytime we can add parameters down here to single out certain markups, so be more and more specific about the markups. That gives us opportunities to filter the list as well. So if we want to look at only things that are in 204, I can click on that. It's going to filter my list to only show those markups. And so what you're seeing here is it filtered my list, but it also filtered the drawing. All of the markups that are outside of that space or that filtered criteria are grayed out, and it's still showing these markups in full color here. So drawing attention to those and not the others. So we can filter our list by those spaces as well. So that's how easy it is to create these. Thanks for hanging out. I hope you learned a few things you can apply to your work immediately to help organize important information in your markups.